Security is all about managing risks. Reviewing the common root causes of security incident is an effective way to guide prioritized remediation efforts. That is why it's always important to keep track of security breaches worldwide to proactively secure your own. This is a list of top 5 security breaches in AWS Cloud. Being top is more to do with the nature of companies involved here, as most of them are used in almost every big to medium organization in one way or another. Let's have a look at the top 5 breaches. The first one is Uber. As you can see, the date of this incident was in 2014 May. But the thing is that even after that, in recent years, there have been multiple incidents with Uber in terms of cybersecurity. But in this one, when it started, 50,000 records were stolen or were leaked from the S3 hosted database. And the root cause was GitHub gist with AWS credentials. Second one was with Tesla. It happened in 2018, and this was the time when Elon Musk was really everywhere in the news, and everyone thought was that he was sort of impregnable and he couldn't do anything wrong. And then they had to eat this humble pie when their Kubernetes consoles and pods were globally exposed. Third one is Cisco. Again, this is quite interesting that there was a former employee with AWS access keys, and more than 450 EC2 instances were deleted 5 months after that person resigned. So go figure. And it just happened 3 years ago. Next comes LastPass, again a very common name in cybersecurity. And in this one, and it just happened last year, where the hacker stole source code and also accessed the development environment through a compromised developer account. And then the impact was huge. Internal customers' data broadly compromised, and the MFA database backup was also compromised. It was a big one. And then Kaspersky is one of the antivirus and other security tooling company, which also offers a free tool, and a lot of people use it. They also had this compromised SES, simple email service token from third party compromised, and then the impact was a lot of phishing attacks. So as you can see, even the big names are not secure and safe from these cyber incidents. Just moving to AWS or any cloud doesn't mean that you are secure. Remember that security of the cloud is the responsibility of cloud provider, but security in the cloud is your responsibility as a company, as a customer. You have to take care of your own data, you have to take care of your own infrastructure, and always follow the zero trust policy. Never trust anyone, whether they are internal stakeholders or external stakeholders. You need to make sure that you are checking and validating and verifying and securing your infrastructure and data at every level. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback or any stories to share in terms of AWS security breaches, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.